impact, understanding, and information of how to actually apply for business grants using AI plus automation is going to help you win grants, cut down on the amount of time that you are using to apply for grants. And we want to help you to take this to the next level. Somebody say, take it to the next level. I want you to go down in the comment section, click on the link, sign up for this free virtual webinar that we are doing on Thursday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're a business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a person that's saying, hey, I need to cover some expenses for my business, you might be hiring someone, you might be training someone, you might need to grow your business, but you don't have the funds to do so quickly. You also might be a person that says, hey, what if I can actually find some funding that I don't have to pay back and actually use this funding to take my business to the next level? If that is you, you want to join this Freeminar tomorrow. And I just want to show you some of the things that we are going to be reviewing, right? We're going to be talking about how to understand AI, right? The power of AI. I'm going to show you how to apply for a grant right in the session. I'm going to take you to a grant, show you how to apply with it with AI. Also, I'm going to show you how to level up your grant writing skills with AI and automation. So go down to the comment section, jump in here, discover how to use AI and win grants without using a grant writer. This is going to show you the ropes for free. I'm telling you. And guess what? If the VIP people are gonna get more impact. But hey, let's talk about what's in a free Mayhar. Seats are limited. These are many people that I have helped before to actually obtain business grants for their business. And here's an opportunity for you to do the same. So join us Thursday, December 11th, 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Join us. Go to the comment section, click on the link, join us. Hey, if you can't join us, hey, you're gonna have to do the VIP because we ain't gonna give the replay for free. So you want to join us here. Use the AI, y'all, right? What makes this different? This is just not another free training. It's gonna be just it's gonna give you so much information. You walk away with some real AI shortcuts, step-by-step game plan. We'll show you how you could use automation tools to help you out to write with grants. So meet me there, December 11th, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Go down to the comment section, click on the link, sign up, and I'll see you tomorrow, y'all. And be ready. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for y'all to jump in, to get this information, to get this knowledge and understanding so you could take your business to the next level.